Good day, friends. Welcome to this little session on how to conduct a micro lecture on using virtual tools. So, I'm not going to demonstrate anything here. I'm basically going to just talk this through so that you can get an idea of how we can work with a very simple tool in Windows called the camera. The camera, and I have a microphone which is attached to the camera. This is the basis of any kind of lecture that we could be talking about. So this is information that we are going to be talking about in the session on Tuesday. As an introduction to giving small lecturettes on video for the students to look up and understand, this is a small introduction to the program that we are going to run next week, which is on using blended learning, using flipped classrooms, instead of the traditional processes that we use. The traditional processes include chalk, talk, attendance, face-to-face interaction, emotional response to students, and a whole lot of other things which we have been used to for several years. So what has changed? Well, I think you should make a list and tell us, and be ready in the session to tell us what do you think has changed. Let's not go into COVID, pandemic. Let's look at the new model that we now have to use when we teach. So where all the normal processes have been taken away from us, and we now have something which we have to do on our own as teachers to make things happen in the classroom and to ensure learnings. For this purpose, I think one of the most important things that we need to do is first identify the learning outcomes for the student. What is it that the student needs to be able to do as a result of this classroom? So the class could be a 40-minute, could be a 1-hour class, but at the end of it all, we need to write down and indicate what are the learning outcomes that we had planned for that class. And then, of course, we need to give the students a way of testing themselves to see whether they have achieved those learning outcomes. That in a nutshell is what we're going to talk about. That in a nutshell is what we're going to work towards. So your learning outcomes really would be identifying the learning outcomes for yourself. What do you want to learn? What do you expect to learn? And what are the challenges that lie ahead of you in this learning process? Let's talk about it on Tuesday.